Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back for another unboxing from GlamourJewelryBox.com. I'm excited to be working with them once again. And if you don't know what Glamour Jewelry Box is, it is a monthly subscription for jewelry. You get 3 beautiful pieces of jewelry that is personalized just for you. And in every box, these jewelry pieces are valued at over $75. So you get such a great deal on some gorgeous pieces to add to your jewelry collection. They are going to be running an amazing holiday campaign, so be sure to check out their website. I'll list all the information down below, along with all of the other unboxings that I've done for Glamour Jewelry Box. These boxes are the perfect present for the holiday season, for someone special, or maybe even for yourself. Maybe you have a friend that has a birthday coming up, November, December, January, and you want to find something unique just for them. Last month, I received these earrings right here, and honestly, I have been wearing these almost every single day. They are absolutely beautiful, along with this ring right here. It's just a perfect addition to all the jewelry pieces that I just wear on a daily basis. Okay, so now moving on to this month's box. Here it is right here, in case you haven't seen any previous videos. It comes in this really pretty box right here. Inside, you'll get a little information card, and then here is the inside of the box. Everything is nicely packaged, and I mentioned this before in previous videos. Everything comes in this really pretty pouch. It's kind of like a velvet microfiber pouch, and this is really great for travel. And I have a little visitor. Want to say hi?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. You want to do my unboxing with me?
Sure.
Okay. So let's, he's going to help me unbox, which this has never happened before, but if he's here, let's go ahead and do this together, buddy, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. What is that? Oh my goodness. Is that beautiful? Will you show the camera? What is that? Is that a bracelet?
Yeah.
It is so pretty. Oh, look at you know how to put on a bracelet. Can you show them? Oh my goodness. Wow, can mommy see it?
Sure.
Wow, this is so beautiful. What? It is absolutely stunning. I mean, I could already picture wearing this to a holiday party. And then on the other side, it has these 2 little gold spheres. And then on the other side, they crisscross. And so I'll go ahead and put this on. It opens up, so it's flexible. It could fit around your wrist. And oh my goodness, that is stunning. Okay, so he ran away. He's gonna be playing in the background. And so I'm gonna go ahead and dig inside for more goodies. Ooh, it's a little tangled, but it looks like it's a necklace. Okay, so I unraveled it from the tissue, and I don't even have the words for this. Look at how amazing this necklace looks. There are so many pieces to it. There's a clasp in the back that kind of looks like it would be a choker, and then here are the top pieces right here. This is all connected here to make this really beautiful triangle, and then there's one very sexy little piece that you could either wear outside or inside your shirt. So I am going to be going to Vegas for one night for one of my dear friends' birthdays, and I think that this statement necklace would be a perfect addition for a night out, mommy's night off with the girls. This is absolutely beautiful. I am excited to see what the last piece of jewelry is. Okay, so here is the last tissue in here. These are beautiful. Look at these. I remember seeing this style, I don't know how many years ago, but this kind of style was really popular back when I was growing up. I don't know if my mom had earrings like these, but they are so classic, so beautiful. And these, again, could be everyday earrings to wear. Okay, I switched out my earrings, and now I have these gorgeous gold earrings on. I guess it's like a knot earring. That's what it reminds me of, knot earrings. I have another special announcement in this video. In December, I am going to be doing my very first 12 days of Christmas, where I'm going to be giving away 12 gifts to 12 different winners. And so one of you will be winning your own special Glamour jewelry box for yourself or for someone special in your life. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit that bell so you know when I post videos. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Don't forget to look down in the description box for all the information that you need, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.